Hey, I'm trying out some masking fluid because I want to do a combination, and the first time I did a combination of detail painting with pour, I used a lot of tape on a very cured surface, but now it's only been a few days since I worked on the hand painted portion of this painting, so I decided to give masking fluid a try. So I just put some in this here card, like a little cardboard card, I'm saying a lot, that's weird, and it dried a different color so that, you know, I'm learning how to use this, so it tells me when it's ready, and I'm going to try to pull it out and see how it separates. All right, well, here we go. All right, I like this. It's doing what it's supposed to. Because for this painting, I'm going to, the dress portion of the lady, it's going to be poured. But I want to make sure that I don't have a mess and then have to go back and redo it again. So that's why the masking fluid experiment. I just want to see how well it, you know, how much it adheres and how easy it is to remove it. And it's looking good. It's doing what I want it to do. And this is, even though it's a plastic coated cardboard, it's still paper. So I just want to make sure it doesn't hold on to it too much. And it's all clear. I guess I'm going to use it. It's a base though, you know, with black and white, give it more of a shape before I pour. Because I know the poured paint is a teeny tiny bit transparent, and I want it to look like fabric. So I think I'll do that. Let's see how I do this. I think that's a good base for the pouring. I'm gonna come back, mask it, and then pour. I'm not sure how much is gonna be done today, so I'm gonna wait a little bit until this dries, and then we'll do the masking.